Hello, today I'll be adjusting my Ducati Streetfighter V2, which is very similar to the V4. The only thing that is different is which way you turn the hub. Loosen until they're both free. Now what you'll see that I did here, or I'm doing here, is I'm turning this clockwise. That's pushing down here. Oh, sorry, let me explain this. I actually took a socket and put it on the end of this because it was hurting my hand, and that not the easiest pressure to get this going. So this is just so it's easier in my hand. And you'll see as I push down, you'll see the chain loosen. You should see that drop. So now you'll see that chain is too loose. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull up on this, and you'll see I'm gonna change it. Now what you'll see I need to do is I need to measure just in front of this screw. Actually, you'll see the directions on the swing arm. See, wherever that sits, so I'm still too, as you'll see, I'm still too tight. I'll be moving this counterclockwise. Okay, I believe that's correct. Let's take a measurement. As the manual says, you push down and release, then measure, and we are right on those center bolts. That's perfect. It's important to note, when I was making these adjustments, I was on my side stand. It does not say to lift the bike off the ground. So you measure it with most of the weight on the tires. Now what I'm going to do is, with my torque wrench, it says to set to 20 nanometers. I set my torque wrench to that specification, and there's foot-pounds. As you can see, it's just under 20 there, so you'll see it's 0.5. So I'm gonna switch hands. So now you'll see I'm going to tighten these back and forth until I get to the specified quarter turns, until I get to the proper tension. Okay, that one is at the right tension. That one as well. Go back to this one more time. Okay.